Hi everyone, konnichiwa! Welcome back to the Japanese Study Hub official YouTube channel. We started hiragana tutorial last week and we done hiragana first 5 hours in previous video. So today I am going to teach you how to write next 5 characters in hiragana step by step. Ka, ki, ku, ke and ko. If you missed hiragana vowels video, you can watch that by clicking the above mentioned card. So today you will learn K line in hiragana step by step. As you can see here, in hiragana alphabet first line contains vowels and the rest of characters are consonants. So except vowels, other characters are made up of combination of vowels plus consonant letters. For an examples, let's say Ka character. It's a combination of K plus a vowel. So it's Ka. I think now you got some idea about it. Okay then, let's get started to write Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke and Ko today's lesson. Today's first letter is Ka. Letter Ka. First step. Second step. Third step. Ka. Letter Ka. Second one, Ki. First step. Second step. Third step. Fourth step. Ki. Letter Ki. The third one is letter Ku. Very easy to write. It has only one step. Step 1. Ku. Ku. Letter Ku. The fourth one is letter K. This is the first step. Second step. Third step. K. Letter K. Okay. The last letter for today's lesson is Ko. First step. Second step. Ko. Letter Ko. If you liked today's video, make sure to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel to get latest videos. See you soon. Bye bye.